Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Maybelline Chinel Lagaw from the province of Pobra, Philippines. 36 years of age, a high school graduate, and single. I'm living with my parents and one younger brother. My mother Nguling is a housewife to my good father, Delphin Oscar Alagaw. As farmer, he served our small barangay as kagawad. I don't have medication or maintenance. I don't have a child. I don't have a tattoo on my body. My first employer here in the Philippines from year 2016 to 2020 is taking care of the elderly. There are two members in the family. I do cooking, preparing their foods, washing clothes, dishes, and ironing and cleaning the house, and assisting her to eat, to bath, and changing diaper. My second employer here in the Philippines from year 2020 to 2025 is taking care of a child. There are two members in the family. I do cooking, preparing their foods, washing clothes, dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, and I bring and fetch her from school. Sometimes I bringing to the park. I always make sure she's happy. I want to work there in Hong Kong because it's much better compare the salary here in the Philippines. I want to save money and help my family financially. And one of the most safest country. You should hire me because my skills and experiences really fit for the job I am applying for. I am highly motivated and adapt to new environment. I always make sure I finish my work on time. I I am willing to learn from you. I am hardworking, trustworthy. I will do my duties and responsibilities. Good day and God bless, Mom and Sir.